everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So today working in this hospital. First part of the day just went over walking through everything that we had to do, going over all the plans because there's no blueprints, got no tools, got no nothing, barely any material, so we're just trying to stay busy out here. So the first part of the day I just went through. First we just walked through and talked about everything, but then I went through and these boxes had to get moved over, these plugs had to get moved over like a foot, so I just lined it up with this plug right here, and then I had to cut a hole to get through the stud, so did that over on this side because I can fish the wire from there to there, but I can't go from the left side into the box, that's impossible, so went ahead and cut all my holes on the right side. Once I found some MC connectors near the end of the day, I went ahead and started putting those in. And then the other thing I was working on was got these mud rings sticking out too far, so I had to cut around that. We're gonna take those off, get some smaller mud rings. I don't know if we're taking over the job or whatnot, but some of these things were messed up. As you can see, basically just cut holes and then I patch it, and then I cut through the patch again. So the guy that I'm working with, he says to just cut holes, patch it, cut holes, patch it. So right when they're done, just cut some more holes, you know. So the guy just goes around and sheetrocks it and tapes it up. So whatever, not my problem, but I'm trying to make it as less work as possible for this guy. But anyways, there's like three or four wings to this hospital that I'm working on. So there's this walkway right here, there's a walkway right there, and then there's like another one or two walkways. So went ahead, this is the third one on this hallway, so there's three here, and there's probably another three or six on the north side over there. So yeah, just working on these, and I'll give you like a little beforehand of what it looks like maybe. But that's pretty much what I did all day. So pretty basic stuff, using cut-in boxes, which are right here. So just cutting a square hole into the wall, and then sticking the wire down, and then sticking it into the box, pushing the box in the wall, using the battleships, which are right here, to hold these into the wall. These fold over the box right here. I can't show you that because that one's already covered up. And then I still have to stick this wire, shove this wire back into the wall, put the MC connector on it, stick it into the box, and then tie those back together, turn the circuit back on. So there is power in this building, so I have to keep remembering to be careful to turn power off. And everything is upside down. I don't know why hospitals do everything upside down, so I installed the second one the regular way, so I had to take it back apart and flip it. So yeah, hopefully I can get some power tools out here tomorrow. Just been doing everything with a screwdriver, so it's been kind of dumb. So hopefully we can get some power tools, drills, other things like that, fish tapes, fish sticks. So just trying to stay busy, but probably gonna run out of stuff tomorrow if I don't get any of that. So anyways, we'll see. But that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. Also, over here in this other room, my coworker was working over here. Trying to figure this out over here for a little bit. So this is hospital grade wire, so it's green. So there's a redundant, I think it's called a redundant ground. Don't quote me on that, but there's an extra little ground wire in here. And you basically wrap it back over the MC before you put on your connector. So I don't know why there's half a fish tape in there. So there was some wire in this wall. I had to basically take out all this stuff. Coworker was working on that, so I don't know what exactly he's doing in here, but they're taking out some of these boxes or just gonna fill it with mud, I'm not sure, but like these ones are getting taken out or covered, and that one has to get taken out or something like that. So they're basically putting these lockers against the wall so it can't have anything in these boxes. So coworker's been working on stuff up here, so it's just a big nightmare, just cutting holes all day. I got insulation all over myself, grease all over my hands, cutting up all over my arms and stuff, and I got like some insulation rash over here somewhere. You can't really see it, but it's little red dots everywhere on my arm from insulation or sheetrock or something like that. So that's always fun. Anyways, that's probably gonna wrap up this video. That's pretty much all we worked on today. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it to help out the channel. Love you guys. See you in the next video tomorrow. Peace out.